I am going to show you how to use Google Drawing to work on templates, and also how to use the Paint program, which comes with Windows, and also how to use a website called Remove.bg. I've already showed you it in other videos, but we're going to dig into some other aspects of it. Let's dig in. For this in particular, I'm going to be talking about an assignment that I've given some of my students about making an e-commerce site, but this will work anytime you want to use any of the templates I've given you, or if you want to learn how to use MS Paint a little bit, or if you want to learn how to use Remove Background. Let's jump in. So we're going to design our own line of clothing here. And to get there, you're going to click on this template. Now, with most of my templates, I've made them read-only for you, which means you can't change them. How do you change them? It's pretty easy. Just go to File, make a copy. And call it whatever you want to. I'm going to call this Face Shirt. You'll see why. Make a copy. Here we go. And I want to make this, well, Dodger blue, because that is the best blue there is. And I'm going to say that this shade right around here is Dodger blue. Good enough. Click away. By the way, you can get rid of this if you want to. Just click on it. And I want to put my beautiful, beautiful face on this. How do we do that? Well, let's try one way. So let's jump into where I've sent myself a picture of myself. Double click this email, double click this, and there, oh my gosh, he is so attractive. So let's go ahead and download this. Click on right here. If you're asked where to put it, I think most of you won't be asked where to put it, but if you're asked where to put it in downloads and call it what you will. And then get out of it and go back to your drawing. Right here, I use these tabs to jump around. And we can say insert image, upload from computer. And now if I jump to the downloads folder, there it is, DG. And we can crop it to try to make it fit better. Remember how to crop? You double click, you drag this down, you drag this over. I just want my gorgeous, gorgeous face on there. You drag this over and you drag this up, but we're gonna see, oops, undo. Gotta be careful when you're cropping to make sure you're grabbing the right thing. We're going to see pretty quickly, click away, that we're going to have a problem. Because, yeah, we can do that, but it's got that border around it. Isn't that ugly? Not me, the border, the background. So, click, delete, say goodbye, Mr. Glett's face. For now, I'm going to show you how to use Remove.bg. Actually, no, first I'm going to show you how to use Paint. Just click in here, all the way down here, and type paint. Paint. There it is there. Now, if you don't want to have to type paint in the future, you can right-click on this, not left-click. Right-click on it and say pin to taskbar. And see how it's there? Now you can click on it there if you ever want to. So let's click on it there. Click. There we go. That brings up the paint program. We'll make it full screen. Even bigger, please. There we go. And File, Open. And let's go to Downloads. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Downloads. DG. Oh, it's so big. That's okay. If you go to View, zoom out, click, click, click. There we go. And we can start to work on it. Let's crop this down. We don't need this big of a picture, so let's crop it down. And to do that, go back to Home and go to, in here, same thing we did before, select. Oh, we can even do freestyle. So we can draw around me. And then we can crop. Still not great, right? I mean, we could try to keep on doing it freestyle, but maybe you've got a better hand than I do. That's going to be pretty tough. But here is where you could do things like if you want to do some just full-on painting kind of things. If you wanted to make a big old mustache on me or something like that, you could do that here. I'm not very good with paint, but this is how you can find it. All right, so let's jump into someplace else. I want to, well, I want to save this one because to take this to Remove Background, I think this is going to be the better one to use. So I want to say File, Save. It should pop up in a second. Oh, did it save over it? Oh, I think it saved over it. File. Oh, I should have said Save As. Well, Now it's that picture. I just said save. I should have said save as. Wasn't that rude to not give me a warning, you know? But anyway, let's go back over here, and we can now just close this. I want to go to Remove.bg and really just get my face on there. My beautiful face! If you go back to here, you click on this. Either one of these will take you there. Okay, upload image. DG. Now let's see how this does on removing background. Bunk. Not too shabby. I want to trim little things around here. Now this is what's kind of cool with remove background. Is you can also click, let me go back to what I did. I clicked on erase remover. And I can just kind of gently, it's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. Start to trim away some of the stuff. You know, this is using AI. Because it's, oh, look at that. See, it just doesn't want to get rid of that. Here, can I brush size smaller? And let's really get in there and really go all the way around here. Let's see what happens if I do that. There it goes. And then maybe you don't like this up here. I don't know, maybe you want to give me a little bit of a haircut. You can also come here and smooth this out. A little bit of hair sticking out there. Let's see if I do that. But this is using AI to make some decisions for you because it's difficult to really just, let's smooth this out here, to really erase things and not make it look jagged and ugly. So it's trying to smooth things out. Not that I need any smoothing out. Okay, there we go. Done. And now I can say download. And when I download it, make sure it's in downloads, and you can just say, DG just my face. Okay, now let's go back. I go back into, where to go, where to go, where to go, where to go. Face shirt, insert, image, upload from computer, DG just my face. And now, look, isn't that glorious? You could have a beautiful shirt with just my face on it. My glurb. That would sell 1 million copies. So there's other things you can do with both between Paint and Remove Background. If you're trying to upload a pattern, let's say, and the pattern is longer than this is, you can go in there and crop it so it fits just in here. Let's say you had a zebra print and the zebra print was really long here and you wanted to fill up here. Well, you can just kind of play with taking it into Paint, cropping it, and then putting it back in here. Have some fun. Bye.